Best team win.
Do you need a hand or anything?
I think lots of older people, they don't meet other people. And the natural way to meet people is through baking. I'm doing mine the old-fashioned way. Pastries underneath my arm.
It's always good to bring people together and actually cook and learn from each other.
We are maybe 70 in our bodies, but in our heads, we're still in our late 20s. And most people, they don't need much encouragement. You just need to be with young people to remind you that you're still young.
Well, here we go. Oh, that looks amazing.
We need to taste it first. Ladies first. Very good, bro.
No soggy bottom, no blind bake.
Right, let's test ours.
I think that's the winner, because the pastry is just superbly crunchy.
Well done.
You're all young people, and I watch you bake, and it makes me feel young again.
I've had a great time, guys. Thanks for coming.
Cheers. Cheers. How about something stronger? You do it, and then I think, I can do that too. And so, sharing of ideas. Yeah. Sharing time.
I see what she did there.